indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.